What's crackin', riders? So you guys may have seen in my most recent uploads that I got a new exhaust system for my Honda Fury, and that exhaust system is the Freedom Performance 2-in-1 Combat Exhaust System. Now, I love it because it's a 2-in-1, it helps the Honda Fury perform, and in this video I'm going to explain how and why that is, and we're going to be doing some sound clips, the stuff you guys love to see in these videos, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so this is pretty briefly how a 2-in-1 exhaust system works. You got your two cylinders, the two pipes. What the exhaust pushes out into these two pipes gets combined into this one. And what this does is it helps with efficiency, it helps with back pressure, it gives you more low and mid-range horsepower and torque, helps out getting off the line, especially if you're going to tune your ECU. It's kind of like the cherry on top or the bow on the present, whatever you want to call it. So that's pretty briefly how that works. So let's gear up, let's go for a ride and hear how it sounds. Alright y'all, that does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to check out my other ones if you want more information on the ECU flash that I've done on this bike and other Honda Fury, Honda Shadow, and other motorcycle related stuff. Check out esotericmotorcycleparts.com for parts for your Honda Shadow and other things that you just might like. And as always, support your local veteran, be safe, and ride free. Peace out.